stair climber.
I'll get the top.
Okay. What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi.
You downstairs? Oh my God. Don't.
Shh, Debbie.
Come upstairs.
You're distracting her from her mission at hand. Oh, you think you're going to go backwards? No, then you're going to...
Come on. You have to get up the stairs, baby. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you get me?